Stanley here, Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, statimusa.com, 704-966-1650. I'm doing a video here on how to install a Microswitch kit on a Statim 2000. This is the OEM part number 01-101621S. Give us a call. It's on our website. Okay, so basically you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, nice small one. For this particular one, you're going to take the two screws and you're going to put them in the Microswitch kit first, and then you're going to bring it down to the bracket. As you'll see, there's a hole where the Microswitch fits in. The switch goes down. It goes down, so, and then if you look, there's two holes where these two Phillips screws are going to plug into. So you're going to kind of put it in there, get it kind of close, and then you're going to take your Phillips screwdriver and you're just going to kind of screw around until you feel like it locks into place. I think I pretty much got it. Lucky first try. There is some caulk around this one. It is recommended that you do have some caulk. That way, if the cassette is leaking, it's not spraying back behind this. Take those two Phillips screws and screw it into place, and then kind of move it around with your finger. Make sure it doesn't move. Once it's secure, you're going to go to the front of the PC board. You will need a small flat screwdriver for this. If you look at the top of the PC board, there's two little holes that says Microswitch. You're going to screw that one in, righty tighty, lefty loosey. It doesn't really matter which blue or red goes where. I always put the blue one in the front. So that's screwed down tight. Okay, so in the last video, I showed you how to disassemble this so we can get to that Microswitch. We're just going to reassemble now. We're going to install this compressor. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. There's 4 screws around the compressor. Just make sure that you don't pinch the wires from the compressor underneath any of the screws, causing a short. Do 4 there. Got that one, that one. That one. Okay, that's installed. Now we're going to have to go back to the boiler, install the boiler. What I recommend is make sure there's no screws underneath it. Take your copper tubing here and get it inside of your hole. You might have to push it down a little farther so that that ferrule is as close to possible as the fittings. And then get it on there and just start screwing finger tight. If it stops, don't force it, wiggle this, and that'll allow it to screw it a little more. You're going to want to be careful when doing that because you don't want to cross thread it. So usually you can screw this down pretty far, hand tight. As you can see that I screwed it probably 4 or 5 threads, hand tight. Now I got it hand tight. Now I'm going to take my 7/16 wrench and I'm just going to tighten down 1 or 2. That's it. That thing's tight, ready to go. Then you're going to have to take this Phillips screwdriver and your screws and screw the boiler base back down. After you screw the boiler base back down, you are going to have to zip tie these zip ties back into place. There are zip ties provided, but basically just zip tie it nice and tight, all like this. Make sure it's all tight, tight, tight. That way the cover, when you're putting the cover back on, it doesn't get caught. You're more than capable of doing this on your own, but if you need any assistance, you can go to the website for more videos, statimusa.com, or give us a call, 704-966-1650. Thanks, bye.